as opposed to other units. This is an Android-based system. Okay, so it allows you to connect your phone up to provide Wi-Fi to the unit. One thing that you can do. The other thing you could do is you could add a SIM card into it, so it's got an internet connection. So just quick run through. I retained the factory reverse camera. This is a Toyota Hilux reverse camera. Retained the steering wheel controls, and just a quick run through of what you can expect. Nice big touchscreen. Not the easiest unit in the world to use. Being an Android based system, it can do a lot or it can do a little. So it's got wireless Apple CarPlay. This particular model has HEMA built in for your off-road mapping. Give you a quick kind of walk through. Steering wheel controls are retained obviously, so you can see nice and responsive. To close apps, you hit the little squares up the top, and then you can see what's open, and you can close things by just swiping up. So yeah, an Android-based system, not a Linux system, so it's not going to be for everyone. Like I said earlier, you can do a lot by adding internet. You can download apps to the unit, Netflix, all that kind of stuff. If that's what you're into, that's basically it.